Replacing the ignition coil pack on a 2001 to 2008 Peugeot 307. Pulled the engine cover from its mountings. Press in the yellow tabs, and disconnect the two hose connections. Lift the hose away from the top of the coil pack. Pull up the tab and remove the wiring plug from the right side of the coil pack. Remove the two 10mm retaining bolts. Carefully lift the coil pack from the spark plugs. The part number is Fit the replacement coil pack onto the spark plugs. Refit and tighten the two 10mm retaining bolts. Refit the wiring plug. Clip the two hose connections back into place. Refit the engine cover to finish. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.